In architecture and design, 3D graphics brings blueprints to life, allowing for detailed planning and realistic presentations. Entertainment and gaming, 3D graphics transport players to immersive worlds filled with excitement and wonder. In medicine, 3D graphics aid in visualization, enabling precise diagnosis, surgical planning, and medical educations. In engineering and manufacturing, 3D graphics streamline the design process, leading to innovation and efficiency. With virtual reality and augmented reality, 3D graphics blur the lines between the digital world and physical worlds, revolutionizing how we experience reality. From Cartesian coordinates to transformations, mathematics lays the foundation for positioning and manipulating objects in digital space. Geometry and trigonometry breathe life into shapes, determining their form, size, and orientation with mathematical elegance. Through calculus, curves and surface evolve seamlessly, responding to mathematical calculus of change with fluidity and grace. Algebraic equations encode the essence of visual aesthetics and defining textures, lighting, and shading with mathematical precision. Through algorithms, mathematics powers the rendering engine, optimizing performance and delivering breathtaking realism with every frame.